So what is whole life insurance and how does it work? In short, a whole life insurance policy is a policy that lasts for your whole life, meaning as long as the policy does not lapse, the life insurance benefit, which can also be called the death benefit on the policy, is paid to your beneficiaries when you die, assuming you're the insured. So that's the life insurance portion of a whole life insurance policy. But then we also have the cash value, which a lot of individuals and corporations are attracted to. In fact, it's very common to hear someone say, I'm interested in a whole life insurance policy for the cash value. I'm not even interested in the death benefit. How do I maximize the cash value benefit? Why would someone say that? Here's why. When you look at the cash value, there are 3 core benefits. The core benefits are safe, liquid, and tax-free. The cash value is safe in the sense that the money will continue to appreciate, will continue to grow as the years pass, regardless of what's going on in the economy and stock market. The average growth rate, when I look at a whole life insurance policy with one of the top companies that's set up correctly, typically ranges somewhere between 3 and 5%. First core benefit, safe. Second core benefit, my money's liquid. I can access it anytime very conveniently. This can be through my online portal, a mobile app. I request a check. Very easy to access my money. There's also a unique loan feature in the sense that my money is always compounding for me. So if I've got $100,000 or any amount of money in a policy, say it's earning 4%, I elect to borrow half of it. So I have 100 grand, I borrow $50,000. I do have a cost to borrow or loan interest that's due in the loan I take, $50,000, but I continue to earn interest on the full $100,000 or whatever my cash value is. So I receive constant compounding, which is nice. So the money's very liquid, easy to access to, and there's no lost opportunity cost when I borrow against it. That's often very appealing to people. And then number 3, tax-free. So if I go back to that 3 to 5% that's safe, how's that sound? Some have expressed that's decent, better than what I might receive in cash. But if that's tax-free, now all of a sudden that's much, much more appealing. So the cash value can be accessed completely tax-free as long as we don't mess it up. And I say that because it is possible to trigger a taxable event with a life insurance policy, specifically on the cash value. However, it's also very easy to avoid. So those are the core benefits of the cash value. One other question that comes up quite a bit is, with a whole life insurance policy, I've got the cash value, which is very attractive to a lot of people and companies. Then I've got the death benefit. I know that that is going to be paid out when I die, no matter what, because it lasts for my whole life. However, here's my question. Do I have to keep making premium payments? Meaning, with a whole life insurance policy, do I have to make payments for my whole life in order to ensure that the death benefit's still paid out and that the policy does not lapse? The answer is no. Very easy to set up a policy where I fund it for a short period of time. Whether I pay into it for 2 or 3 years, maybe I have a plan to pay into it for 10 years or a certain age, meaning we do not have to have a policy where we are obligated to pay premiums forever. A lot of times people will feel that. I remember early on in my career, I got a text from someone that we had sold a policy to, and he said, hey, I started this policy with a lump sum and was told I don't have to pay anything into it anymore. I just looked at my contract and it says premiums are due up until age 95. Otherwise, the policy will lapse if I don't pay it. I'm very upset. I don't want to lose my money. No worries at all. He did not lose his money and he did not have to make any more payments, and his cash value keeps on growing over time, which is nice. So we do not have to make payments for our whole life with a whole life insurance policy, but we can if we're interested in that. Some people like to do that. So I hope that this helped. Let us know if you have any questions at all, and thanks so much for watching. Hey guys, Steve here with IBC Global. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're interested in a whole life insurance policy and you'd like to work with our company in setting it up, please visit our website, ibcglobalinc.com. We would love to work with you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, I hope this helps.